Delivery route optimization is for sure one central piece of every operations research lecture, and I think everybody have heard of the Traveling Salesman Problem, and this is delivery route optimization. A huge topic, difficult topic, still a lot of opportunities to optimize the routing itself. What is it? Let's go directly into a large-scale toolkit. Every company needs this, and as well here the big players like Microsoft offers here a special route kit optimization, and it's of course the job to determine the most efficient route sequence during delivering your customers' goods, and you have typically different objective functions in the background, so different things to optimize. It might be to minimize the travel time or the distance or the reduced fuel or faster delivery times. It really depends on the situation where you are. Many of these things has a kind of combination between delivery time towards your customer and costs in the background. And Microsoft Toolkit is quite mighty to solve these problems. These problems are quite hard to solve, and they always have an optimizer in the background, an IP solver in the background. So typically they decompose the search space into sub-problems, and then they solve the simpler problems and merge it to the final results. It's a so-called NP-hard problem. In fact, you could say you have to try nearly all combination possibilities in the background to solve it in an optimal way. That's really high-level pragmatic definitions. So you decompose the problem into smaller sub-problems and combine the results. That's one classical approach to not boil the ocean, also from computational time perspective. The very interesting challenge here, which was done in 2021 from Amazon, it was a competition with a winner prize of 170K, was also exactly the last mile routing problem. And here I have many links on this challenge. And one explicit challenge of this last mile routing is that really there are additional tacit knowledge of the driver which brings environmental know-how to the game. It's sometimes not only to have the shortest routing overall, but there are local conditions. Maybe the driver knows better than every algorithm, and sometimes this meta information on top can make a huge and a big difference. And in this problem challenge, they really tried to enhance the classical shortest distance challenge with this explicit know-how on the individual topics. A very interesting read on these things for research papers, how they are doing it, and absolute fantastic challenge to have a look on it. The data sets are also available if you want to train your students on this, or if you want to train yourself on this overall topic. This is a wonderful starting point. And still, this routing plus additional information is really where huge benefits can be obtained.